Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday. It's Face Chart Friday. I haven't filmed anything this week before this video because one, I've been sick. Two, they had to replace the light fixture in my apartment because it was going cray cray. So yeah, it's been kind of hectic and getting ready for the new school semester, so that's been going on. But yeah, but this particular face chart, I didn't do a poll on Instagram this time. This time on Tuesday, or was it Wednesday? One of my two favorite students, if you follow my personal Instagram account or follow my Facebook, they're these two girls, Sarah and Sally. I let them go onto Instagram and they chose the one they thought was the prettiest. That's what they told me, this was the prettiest one. So this is the one I'm going to be doing just for them. So after I film this video, I'm going to edit it and show them when I get to work so that they can see that I actually did it. Because then I'm going to take it off to finish this is also the last day of my Disney theme looks. So I have to end that with a bang too. So I'm going to be doing 2 looks in one day. So if you follow me on Instagram, I apologize for all the pictures you are going to see today. So that being said, let's get started. And this is the finished look. I actually like it, so they'll probably be happy that I did this one. I'm not gonna wear it to work though because, like I said, I have to do my final Disney inspired look, which I'm more excited about that one because I'll be doing this for my best friend back home because it's a character that she loves and I like this character too, so yeah. But this is finished look, and I have to say that I've never tried the matte lip that I got from the ColourPop My Little Pony. I never tried the first shade that I put on, but I like it. I swatched it in the video. I never put it on my face. I like it. I've tried the gloss many times. That's called Dream Castle or something. I've tried that many times. I don't think I've ever tried the matte part to the two that I bought. And I'm sad because my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Kelp Me is, like, again, I'm doing Project Pan, so, but that one's almost gone. And I don't think they have that anymore. That was just like a summer type deal. Anyway, this is finished look. I'm gonna go take some pictures and then wipe all this off and do a second look. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If not, I'm sorry. Not really, but I mean, it'd be like that all the time. I will see you guys tomorrow because I'm gonna film a video for a tag that I was tagged in to do for a challenge or something, and then there's another video, blah, 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 blah. So I'll be actually uploading on a Saturday for the first time in months. Whoop whoop. Anyway, by the time I upload this is gonna be for Friday morning, so happy Friday. It's Friday in the afternoon for me. So, you know, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.